Hello everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. I know I say this in every video, but today I am really excited. So recently I met with a famous architectural firm at a talk at my university. I usually fall asleep with my eyes open at these events, but this time I didn't. Nuh-uh. So this firm is reported as the second largest architectural firm in the UK, and they have done projects in the UK, Malaysia, Milan, China, and more. The firm is BDP Architects. I had a discussion with them after about portfolios and internships because I could use their info for a video for you guys, because I have quite the series on my channel about portfolios, which I will have linked for you. Keep it simple, stupid. So without rambling on any further, let's get into it. The tip number one is a brief description of the project and that it shows technical information. Sometimes people would write way too much and just about the concepts or the programs they used for the visuals. But a good portfolio will show the employer or the university that you know what you're talking about. So talk about your knowledge of regulations, sustainability, or technology and how they are implemented in your design. However, do not overload your portfolio with a lot of information to make it look fuller, as the more concise and attractive the layout, the better. Tip number two is your sketching ability. You don't need to be able to draw to be a good architect, you just need to show that you can or you're willing to communicate your ideas in sketches. Have a look at this project. I actually just found this project 2 days ago, and even though the drawing style may not be the next Leonardo da Vinci masterpiece, the project is still built and, well, life goes on. Don't put your sketches at the end of your portfolio so that no one sees them. Put them in the beginning of your project where you show your concept, and be proud. Curate your content. So a great architectural portfolio is about quality and not quantity. So if you have a handful of multifamily residential buildings in your portfolio, you don't need to show all of them. Include only your best work, your best visuals, your best sketches, and try to show the process and reasoning behind each project, which brings me to the next step. Show your process of design. Architects value the process more than the final design because it shows where you started, your inspirations, and how you got to the level you are in now. They also might not agree with the final design, but when they realize the reasoning and the story behind your work, they will appreciate it. So this is a project by Daniel Libeskind. It's the Jewish Museum in Berlin. As much as I admire Libeskind, the final scheme isn't a scheme I see myself doing or that I find pleasing. However, when you read his concept, it's amazing, and the level of detail Libeskind went to understand the demographics and the history is astounding. Which makes me realize that no other building could have worked as well as Libeskind's building for that particular site. So include a section in your portfolio for your process, including sketching, modeling images, inspirations, or even your concept diagrams, which I have done one recently and I'll have linked for you in the cards. Duties for each project. So be careful about what you say in your portfolio. Don't go saying, oh, I designed the whole project by myself. Be clear and truthful about your contributions in each project. The real contributions. Even if you are an intern, put what you've really done. Say it if it's a competition. Say it, be honest. And that is all for today's video. Let me down below what did you think about these tips, and if you agree with them and if you use them in your portfolio. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it and share it to your friends if you thought it was helpful. I'm Rasha Shururu and I will see you next time.